Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ghost Box in Phasmophobia. To begin, select the Ghost Box from your inventory and activate it. This essential piece of equipment allows you to communicate directly with the entity, providing crucial evidence for identification. It is one of the 3 primary pieces of evidence you might need to find. Hold it in your hand and ensure it is powered on before entering the investigation area. To use the Ghost Box, hold down the primary use button to activate its microphone. Speak clearly into your microphone, asking direct questions like "Where are you?" or "How old are you?" Remember, you need to be quite close to the ghost, typically within a few meters, for it to hear and potentially respond. Patience is key, as not all ghosts will answer immediately or at all. When the ghost responds, you will hear distinct words or phrases through the Ghost Box's speaker. This audible communication confirms Ghost Box as a piece of evidence. Pay close attention, as these responses can be subtle. Not every ghost type will interact with the Ghost Box, so if you get no response after several attempts, it might not be a Ghost Box ghost. For best results, try using the Ghost Box in a dark room where the ghost is active. This often increases your chances of a response. If playing with teammates, consider having one person alone in the ghost room to ask questions. Remember, some ghost types are more likely to respond when you are in a dangerous situation, adding an extra layer of challenge to your investigation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.